MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks.
Here's a look at a 2019 Kenworth T680. A 455 horsepower 12-speed auto, 76-inch raised roof double bunk. This truck sits at 455,000 on the miles. It's got a nice black paint job with lots of chrome, and it comes equipped with a collision mitigation system. You've got 13K fronts, 38K rears, and a 230-inch wheelbase with a 2.79 rear ratio. You've got 22.5 low pros with all aluminum wheels polished up for you and dual 120-gallon fuel tanks. Under the hood, a PACCAR NX13 with a PACCAR 12-speed automated transmission. Your interior looks fantastic. It shines. You've got a sleeper with dual doors and windows and an Espar heater. Your dash looks great too. If you want this truck, a 2019 Kenworth T680, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.